Alright, well hopefully this is going to be the last coat of primer. I think we've got everything pretty much taken care of now. Those are on. Roof's ready. Get this last coat of primer on. Then we'll go back and we'll wet sand it. And then we will get it ready for sealer. And we will get it painted. Long process, but it's definitely well worth it. Fenders out here. I'm going to reshoot these, reprimer them. Green stuff on there, just some self-etching primer. Went down to some bare metal in some of those spots, so I went ahead and rather put some self-etching on there just in case. But everything so far looks good. Car's all masked. What a pain, because you have to mask everything because you don't want to get anything on the undercarriage dirty. But all in all, let's get the primer in. Door jams. Things are pretty much done. All right, here we go.